Welcome to the PharmaLinkage platform. In this video, we'll walk you through the PharmaLinkage Readyreckoner and tutorial videos. There are two ways to access them. 1. Website, www.pharmalinkage.com. And 2. Platform. Step 1. On website. Start by open www.pharmalinkage.com and scroll down to video section above footer where you can find the Readyreckoner and all tutorial videos. Step 2. Within platform. Login page, logging into your PharmaLinkage platform account. Step 3. Find Readyreckoner. After successful login you will land on Business Lounge. On left menu there is 3 menu you can see. Readyreckoner, Platform Tour, and Tutorial Videos. Step 4. Readyreckoner. For more in-depth information, check out the Readyreckoner. They offer detailed insights into platform functionality. When you click on Readyreckoner it will download a document. Step 5. Platform Tour. When you come on platform first time or new user, Guide Me will help you to explain feature of each section on platform with step-by-step tour guide. Step 6. Tutorial Videos. When you click on Tutorial Videos, it will be redirected to PharmaLinkage YouTube channel. You will find all tutorial videos for each features here. If you have any further questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. Drop us an email on wecare@pharmalinkage.com. Thank you for watching our PharmaLinkage User Guide Training Document tutorial video. We're here to support your pharmaceutical journey every step of the way.